Hello, hello. Do you know today's sound? Well, let's start with revising those sounds. Sound.
E sound, k sound,
Sound.
p sound,
I sound. Story. A boy has a playful puppy. The puppy finds an old blanket. He grips it in his teeth and shakes it from side to side. The boy grabs the blanket, but the puppy hangs on tightly, going.
r.
The blanket rips. It looks like a rag now. So the boy calls his puppy.
Rags,
Action. Pretend to be a puppy, pulling a rag and shake your head from side to side, saying.
r.
Flashcard.
r.
You can practice. You can print the flashcard and practice writing the letter. Blending. A, t, rat. A, n, ran. I, p, rip. S, t, rest. Which of these words does not contain the sound? Is it rabbit? No, rabbit contains sound. Is it dress? No, dress contains sound. Is it rocket? No, rocket contains sound. Is it egg? Yes. Call out the sounds below and ask the children to write them down. A, I, n, e. Call out the words below and ask the children to write them down. Rat, rip. Okay, see you next time. Bye.